Meaning of gazpacho.
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 Gazpacho. Gazpacho is a cold soup of Spanish origin that typically contains tomatoes, onions, peppers, cucumbers, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar, among other ingredients. It is often served as a refreshing appetizer or light meal during hot weather. The dish is traditionally made by combining the fresh ingredients in a blender or mortar and pestle until they form a smooth and creamy texture. Gazpacho is an excellent source of vitamins C and A, as well as dietary fiber. It is a delicious and healthy way to beat the heat and enjoy the flavors of Spain.